At WPI Prefab, we believe in helping you succeed. With our manufacturing process, building your finished exterior wall system will be smoother than ever before. Our expert fabricators will manufacture your finished exterior wall system in a safe and controlled environment, reducing risk by eliminating exposure to on-site congestion. We build with the highest of standards, utilizing the best materials, tools, and technology to build the highest quality product. Our quality control protocol tracks the construction of every wall panel from design all the way to its arrival on the job site. By building off-site, our prefabricated system will save you time on your project schedule, with faster building dry-in and an earlier start to your interior construction. With a diverse portfolio of different exterior claddings and finish options, our finished prefabricated exterior wall panels can meet the design needs of a variety of projects. Our system brings value to the project. By including the exterior finishes on our panels, we can increase efficiency by building with less manpower and reducing equipment costs associated with completing the exterior envelope of your project. To learn more about what WPI Prefab can offer your project, visit us at WPIBuilds.com.